Welcome back guys. Today I will be sharing with you a very popular Indian appetizer that is definitely going to make you hungry and at the same time very quick and easy to make with marinated cottage cheese, which is then grilled until charred and served with onion rings and mint chutney. So let's get started and prepare our marination. We will need 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Mirch, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried mango powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix them all together. Add 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Mix it nicely and then we will add our veggies. First add the peppers and then onions. Mix them well. In the end, we will add the cottage cheese and coat it well with the marinade. Cutting cheese into small pieces helps to absorb the marinade, and the mustard oil will prevent the cheese from drying out while grilling. Now cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. You can also prepare it ahead if you're having a party. Now we will arrange the paneer cubes, alternating with onion and peppers in a skewer. Make all the skewers similar. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and arrange all the prepared skewers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now grill the skewers at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and broil for 2 to 3 minutes to get their charred look. Our Paneer Tikka is ready now. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top and serve hot with mint chutney and onion rings. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching.